listen carefully. Starting today, you'll be rich. I had a dream in my heart. I wanted the class and elegance of a sports car. I dreamed of that car since I was young. When I finally bought one, I felt like I had the world. But reality was different. My bank account balance shook with release of a new model. The value of the car I bought gradually decreased. My heart's wounds only deepened. Believe in the power of tips coin. Tips coin, hold my hand. Make my sports car dream come true. Even if I buy and sell a car, the principle remains the same. Keep my hopes and bright my future. Uncertain reality and the world. I bought a sports car, but my bank account is unstable. People are flocking to the new model. The value of my car plummets every day. The weight of reality weighs me down even more. God's calling after meeting Tips Coin. I'm no longer afraid of buying a car. Tips Coin, there's no loss of principle. Even if I buy or sell a car, trust the power